the countless aged stars throughout the universe, some die quietly, leaving hardly a trace. But others refuse to go gently into that endless night, and they end their lives in a stunningly violent explosion.
Our ancient ancestors were aware of the sky and the changes that occur in it, and they attached special significance to some of those changes. But usually they were regular and predictable variations, things that occurred in the normal cycles of the sun, the moon, the planets, and the stars. Every once in a while, however, something unforeseen would command the attention of an entire people. An eclipse, a comet, or perhaps a guest star, as the Chinese quaintly called a new star seen where none had been seen before. These objects, these new stars, were also called novae, which just means new. And sometimes they were bright enough to be seen in the daytime, and they could even cast shadows at night. And one such spectacular event occurred in 1054 AD and was witnessed by Chinese and Japanese astronomers. And until recently, it was thought that they were the only ones who observed the event, except possibly Indians in the American Southwest. But a new account of an observer in the Middle East at Constantinople has also been discovered recently. Of course, in 1054 AD, no one really knew what a nova or a new star was. But today we realize that there are two completely different reasons that can cause a star to suddenly appear where no star had been seen before. And we're really not dealing with new stars, but actually old stars. Now, what's called a nova is a peculiar situation in a binary star system where a cooler star, expanding, dumps some of its material onto a smaller, hotter companion. That star brightens up hundreds of thousands of times more than it was before. But it settles back down again, and the system afterward is relatively little worse for wear. It's also possible, however, for single stars to brighten explosively, and this is what happens in a supernova. Stars that are more massive than the sun, sometimes considerably more massive, destroy themselves as they explode to briefly become hundreds of millions of times brighter than normal.